We call ourselves old-fashioned. Concrete certainly goes back to the Roman times. Not a lot of new innovation, I suppose. Our approach to it is that when you ring up, you get someone who actually is batching your concrete. Our business has changed because we are a logistics business.
So we need a strong truck from headlight to tail light and reliable. Over the years, we found Mack deliver that in spades. They just keep going all day.
We started with 5 2002 Macks, and we've still got 3 of those operating today. Now we have 46 trucks and 43 of those are Macks.
Having good business partners like Austmix, helping develop and test, we've been able to develop the Anthem into a fantastic, pure design truck for this industry.
It's easier to drive, it's got more power, it goes everywhere you want to go. Entirely different in the last 30 years.
I've snuck off in it myself for a drive. It's quiet, it's refined, it's loaded with tech.
Anti-collision, 4 cameras, amazing horsepower. The older trucks had nothing like that. It's just the way of the future.
Mack's always been a good, stable supplier of trucks, and I think improved over time.
It's pretty much been turnkey at the start of the day and we turn it off at the end.
We've put it through its paces. We've sent it to all different projects. It's been uphill, down dale, because that is the future for us. If you had to put your faith in someone like we have, we put it in Mack.